Hello everyone, this is FrameForwarder, and today we are going to quickly check out duplex rules, how they apply on routers, and speed as well. So we're gonna go into a couple things, mostly very high level, just to see the configuration, how it runs on the routers, and how to configure them. So just a quick background on duplex, what it is and how it works. So duplex is pretty much whether or not a link can send and receive um, data at a time, or if it can only send or receive data at a time. So the key difference here is that if you can send and receive data at a time, then obviously you're sending and receiving data at a time. Whereas if you're only sending or receiving, um, that's obviously going to be slower than sending and receiving at a time, right? So there's a lot of background to it when it comes to collision or carrier sends multi-axis collision detection. You can do some background on that, CSMA, CD, um, just to learn more. But pretty much that's what duplexing is. And then of course speed is the speed of the link. Now you can hard set this at an interface on one of the devices. Now you could do like we have, as you can see here, gig um, interfaces, right? Gig ports, which means they can send data at a speed of 1,000 megabits per second, right? So that's both links, and at the moment you can see that's red, so the link is actually down, and we're gonna have to troubleshoot that. Take a look why, and then get the link back up. So now on duplexing, there's three settings you can set on an interface. You can either set full duplex, which means send and receive information on a wire at a time. You can do half duplex, which means send or receive data at a time, and you can do auto, um, which is a negotiation setting. So if you set it on auto, which is default, it will basically negotiate with the other device on which setting they should be on. So for example, if I had um, hard set full duplex on here, but this was on auto, then the expected behavior is that it will go to full. If this was hard set to half and we had this on auto, the expectation is it will go to half, right? Um, so that's what we need to keep in mind. And then we do want to just mention that if you have a speed set on one interface that is a mismatch with another interface on the other side, so that means if I have hard set, so not auto, remember the default is auto, so that will be auto negotiating on this side, auto negotiating on this side. But if you hard set the interface here on only gig, and you hard set this on, let's say, 10, um, you're not gonna the link is gonna go down because it's not gonna work, right?